For today's lunch, I'm gonna be trying a spice bag for the first time. Chinese Irish takeout classic. It's crispy French fries, pieces of fried chicken, sauteed peppers and onions, tossed in a paper bag with spices, and then it's typically eaten with a curry sauce, which is really popular in parts of the UK. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Can I have a spice bag? I never had this before. Okay. You're definitely gonna get your money's curry on there. Chicken. So I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. Some chicken, French fries, peppers and onions. A little bit of it. Thank you, my friend.